Hi everyone, it's Spa Guy Dave back here again with another incredible pre-owned hot tub. This one a 2016 Pinnacle Spa, and it's just awesome. It really is. It's a 5 to 6 seater, 84 by 84 inches, 36 inches deep, 45 jets, LED lights everywhere, lit water features, lit cup holders, lights on the cabinet, lights everywhere. It is so cool, and those lights, you've got 7 different choices and colors. Right now it's just filtering and heating. Here is pump number 1. Check out the water features, which you can turn up or down or off, up slightly or up more. Pump number 2. This thing really performs. It's a little dark here right now, you can't see the cabinet. I'll show that tomorrow. But this is a killer tub for $4,500 delivered. Beautiful brand new spa cover lifter to be installed tomorrow. Everything, chemicals, delivery, warranty, new pillows, new filter, new heater. This tub is just beautiful, and it could be yours. If you like this video, please click like, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with more spas coming and more interesting videos. So check it out. Hope you like this tub. And once again, hopefully it'll be in your backyard. Thanks for watching. This is Spa Guy Dave.